Hey there, fellow online discoverers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting for all of you who are looking to earn some extra bucks online. In this video, we'll explore platforms that have changed the way people make money online. From freelancing to selling your creations, these websites offer a wide range of opportunities for everyone. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Website number 10. Freelancer. Kicking off our list is Freelancer, established in 2009. This platform connects freelancers with clients seeking various services, such as writing, design, programming, and more. Its success lies in its massive user pool and vast range of available gigs. Website number 9. Upwork. Next up is Upwork, founded in 2015. It's a popular freelancing marketplace that offers services across diverse fields. Boasting over 18 million users, Upwork's success stems from its user-friendly interface and extensive job categories. Website number 8. Fiverr. Moving on, we have Fiverr, launched in 2010. Fiverr is known for its unique approach, where sellers offer services starting at $5. Sellers can upsell additional services for higher prices. Its success is attributed to its simplicity and the opportunity for both beginners and experts to monetize their skills. Website number 7. Airbnb. Let's shift gears a bit and talk about Airbnb, which debuted in 2008. While not your traditional freelancing site, Airbnb allows individuals to earn money by renting out their properties or spare rooms. The platform charges hosts a service fee of about 3% per booking. Airbnb's success lies in its disruption of the hospitality industry and the unique earning opportunities it offers. Website number 6. Udemy. If you're passionate about teaching, Udemy, launched in 2010, is a fantastic platform. It allows you to create and sell online courses. Instructors receive a percentage of the course price, typically around 50–75%. With millions of users, Udemy's success is rooted in its democratization of education and the potential for instructors to earn passive income. Website number 5. Shopify. Let's move to Shopify. This e-commerce platform was established in 2006 to enable individuals and businesses to set up their own online. Shopify has over 1 million businesses in more than 175 countries. Main reason for Shopify's success is its ability to empower entrepreneurs to start and manage online stores with ease, offering a wide range of customization and integrations. Website number 4. Amazon. And here is the big one. Amazon, established in 1994 as an online bookstore, is now the biggest e-commerce platform in the world. Besides buying millions of products, you can become a seller and enter into a market of over 200 million buyers worldwide. 45% of Amazon sales come from its 9.7 million third-party sellers over the world. The key to Amazon's success is its customer-centric approach, readiness to innovate and experiment, and use of data analytics for decision-making. Amazon charges sellers a monthly subscription fee of $39 and varying fees depending on a number of factors, generally in the ranges of 6% to 45% of the selling price of the item. Seller can dispatch their products to customer themselves or use Amazon services called Fulfilled by Amazon, or FBA, for a fee. Website number 3. eBay. eBay was established in 1995 as an online platform for auction and shopping for a wide variety of products. eBay has over 183 million active buyers and 19 million sellers. Main reason for eBay's success was bringing the concept of online auctions and person-to-person commerce, creating a dynamic marketplace. Website number 2. Etsy. If you're into crafts and creativity, Etsy, established in 2005, might be your go-to. Etsy is an online marketplace for arts and crafts, handmade and vintage items. With a niche market and a strong community, Etsy's success is driven by its focus on unique, personalized products. Website number 1. YouTube. Last but certainly not least, we have YouTube, which began in 2005. Yes, the very platform that you are using right now. While it's known for its entertainment value, many YouTubers make a living through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. YouTube's massive user base and potential for viral success have turned countless creators into online entrepreneurs. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 most useful websites for online earning. Whether you're a freelancer, a host, a creator, or an entrepreneur, these platforms offer unique opportunities to earn money online. Remember, success depends on your dedication, skills, and the value you provide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy online earning. Thanks for watching.